Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Right behind me we have the brand new 2021 230 Cruiser by Harris. If we go to the bow of the boat, it comes equipped with a tri-pontoon which allows for more maneuverability in the water. As we walk down the side of this vessel, it comes with a midnight blue black sapphire accent which really pops in the sunlight. Walking down further, as we come to the stern of this boat, you can see that we went with a Mercury 154-stroke outboard engine. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to the inside of this 230 Cruiser. If you look back here, it is equipped with a tow bar for all your water activities, skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, everything that you need. This 230 Harris does have a ton of storage throughout the whole boat. Right here, if you lift this up, tons of storage. Comes with a hinge so these seats aren't falling all over the place for you. And if you look on the port side, we have a cooler. Also, 3 cup holders and a spot to plug in your phone. As we walk inside, we did go with a tan interior with a gray accent and also a tan vinyl flooring. Up here at the helm, tall chair with armrest, it swivels and it does recline if you want to. We went with the Lowrance, fuel gauges, and one of the best features of this boat is a dock to charge your phone. You've got a cup holder, a Fusion sound system, amazing sound quality, a tilt steering wheel so that when you're driving, sitting down, it's normal, and then if you want to stand up, all you have to do is tilt it up and you're on your way. Another great feature in this compartment is a trash can. And also we have 2 more cup holders and another charging spot for your phone. As we walk forward, we've got storage underneath here, even enough room if you want to add an additional cooler to the boat. If you lift this up, more storage. All right, on the port side of this boat, you lift up these hatches, got storage underneath this seat and this seat, as well as another station to charge your phone and 2 more cup holders. On the starboard side, you can lift these up again. Plenty of storage on these nice hinges that Harris provides for us. 2 more cup holders and a spot to plug in your phone. Come down to MarineMax in Rogers, make an appointment, and do remember to hit that like button for us. Thank you.